Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make hand sanitizer on the go. The first thing that you'll need is 91% isopropyl alcohol, a travel container. I have a 3-ounce travel container that I'll be using. Aloe vera. I have a tube of aloe vera that I'm going to be using. The first thing that I'm going to do is open up the container, and when making the solution, you'll want 2 parts 91% isopropyl alcohol and 1 part aloe vera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1/3 of this with aloe vera and fill the rest up with 91% isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to take this and put the nozzle inside of the container, and I'm going to do several squirts until it gets 1/3 of the way full inside of here. May take a couple more squirts in here, and just get 1/3 of the container full. The container's being a little tricky. Pump a little bit more inside of it. Alright, it's 1/3 of the way full, and so what I'm going to do now is fill the rest of the container with 91% isopropyl alcohol. So I'm going to open this, and then I'm going to pour it inside of the container. Alright, now I'll put 2/3 of it filled with isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to just take the tube and I'm going to shake it. It may take up to 30 seconds to a minute to shake it and get all of the aloe vera and isopropyl alcohol combined and mixed together. But after that time, about 30 seconds of mixing the aloe vera and the isopropyl alcohol together, you should have hand sanitizer. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.